Hi students, in this module we are going to discuss about permutations. That is exercise number 3. In our first exercise we discussed about fundamental principle of counting, and in the second exercise we discussed factorial and some problems on factorials. Now in this module we are going to discuss permutations. This permutations means arrangement. The different arrangement that can be made with given number of things taking some of them or all, some or all of them. If they are given 10 books, you can arrange taking 10 at a time or 9 at a time or 8 at a time, like that. There is different number of arrangement of n things taken n at a time or some of them at a time. Some or all of them at a time are called permutations. Permutation of n different objects, that is arrangement of n different objects taking r objects. This is permutation of arrangement of n different objects taking r at a time is denoted by capital P in the bracket nr, or you can write like this npr, and it is defined as npr is equal to that is pnr is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, where r is always less than or equal to than n. Okay. The number of arrangement or number of permutations of n different objects taking all at a time is given by n factorial. That is npn is equal to number of arrangement of n objects taken all at a time is equal to, we know that npr is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Then npn is equal to n factorial divided by n minus n factorial, which is equal to n factorial by 0 factorial. We all know that 0 factorial is equal to 1. Then answer will be n factorial. That is number of arrangement of n objects taken all at a time is n factorial. Next, we discuss some problems based on permutation. Question number 1. Evaluate P73, that is 7P3. Solution P73, or we can write 7P3, that is equal to, we know that npr is equal to arrangement of n taken r at a time is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Then 7P3 is equal to 7 factorial by 7 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial, which is equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial. 4 factorial will get cancelled. Then we get 7 into 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 7, 210. Okay. Next question number 2. evaluate P24, that is 20P4 equals, we know that 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 4 factorial, which is equal to 20 factorial divided by, it is 16 factorial, equals 20 into 19, 18, 17 into 16 factorial whole divided by 16 factorial. 16 factorial will get cancelled. 20 into 19 into 18 into 17, multiply all, we get 116280. Okay, question number 3. The same when you can do P82, that is 8P2 equal to 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 2 factorial, which is equal to 8 factorial by 6 factorial, that is equal to 8 into 7. We observe that if it is 8P2, then the numbers we are arranging in descending order, only 2 numbers, 8 7s are 56. Then what will be 10P2? Directly you can do P10P2, that is P10 to 10P2 equal to, it will be 10 into 9, you get 90. And directly also you can write. Okay. Find R if P10R equals 9R. Then given P10R equals 2 times P9R, that is equal to 10PR equals twice 9PR. 10PR means 10 factorial by 10 minus R factorial is equal to 2 times 9 factorial by 9 minus R factorial. You can write 10 factorial as 10 into 9 factorial, which is equal to, in the RHS you have 2 into 9 factorial, 9 factorial will get cancelled, and 10 minus R minus 1 is 9 minus R. Then you can write 10 minus R into, you subtract 1, you get 9 minus R factorial. Here also you have 9 minus R factorial, then 9 minus R factorial will get cancelled and 9 factorial will get cancelled. 10 by 10 minus R is equal to, you have 10 divided by 10 minus R is equal to 2, that is 10 is equal to 20 minus 2R. 2R is equal to 10, and you will get R is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Next, question number 6. Find N if 2 times Pn3 equals Pn plus 1 3. We all know that Np1 is equal to N, Np2 equal to, we have to write in reverse order 2 terms, N into N minus 1. If it is Np3, then you can write N into N minus 1 into N minus 2, Np4, N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3, like that. Okay. Now 2 times Np3 equals N plus 1 P3, then you can write N into N minus 1 into N minus 2, Np3 is, and here N plus 1 minus 1 is N, again N minus 1 equals, that implies here N will get cancelled and N minus 2 will get cancelled. Then you get 2 times N minus 2 equal to N plus 1. That is 2N minus 4 equals N plus 1. Taking N to the left side, 2N minus N is equal to 1 plus 4. That is N is equal to 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. Okay students, thank you all. We will discuss some more problems in our next modules.